dollar. And now, your host, Chris Steele.
And a big hello to our radio audience across the country, and of course those of you watching us on DCN. Welcome to DCN's Money Talk. As always, alongside of me is Michelle Yeager. Michelle, I am very excited about today's Money Talk topic.
And for good reason. Today's Money Talk is all about a landmark presidential dollar coin series that's causing frenzy across the nation.
These presidential $1 coins are in such demand that coin dealers are hoarding them the instant they're released.
And as a result, they're becoming harder to find and more valuable with each passing day. Well, I think you've managed to perk up the ears of every collector out there.
And why not?
So let me make sure I understand you correctly. The Abe Lincoln presidential dollar, a coin that has yet to be released, has sent collectors into a fever pitch just thinking about it? How often does a coin series as impressive as this come along? We've just received this urgent collector advisory from the Danbury Mint. And Chris, this update means great news for some and not so great for others unless they act immediately, because the Danbury Mint will only guarantee reservations for the next 100 callers. Remember now, this Danbury Mint collector roll of 12 uncirculated Abraham Lincoln dollar coins is remarkably priced at just $34.95 per roll.